My name is Kishore Kumar Gupta. We are into polymers trading from 2014. We are into already manufacturing in polythene bags from 1998 with our sister concern company named as Sri Lakshmi Plastics. In 2022, we have appointed as a Reliance dealer for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We are looking forward for your association, dear customers. We can't spell the success without you. Thank you. Yeah, we are into basically into specialty resins as well as into commodity plastics as well. We import the specialty resins from the different countries from Middle East, US and other countries, and we are into a distribution channel, the industrial area located in Katedan and other areas of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh also. Just a small brief about HIPLEX. HIPLEX is in HIPLEX hall number 2 with a stall number H07 named as Sri Polymers. Today the footfall was very good in HIPLEX as well. We have visited so many customers, end users, mass bed suppliers and as well as different type of industries, and we got very good response, and we are looking forward for the another 3 days of expo, a good success towards our company. Thank you.